Alright, this is my 86 Custom Deluxe that I totally redid. It's dirty right now. I turned it into a Silverado. It had the chrome package, but I redid all the chrome. It's the interior, it's pretty much brand new. I redid everything in it.
Want me to open it?
I put a headliner, I put carpet, air conditioner still works, body's real nice on it, no rust. It's actually a 72,000 mile original truck. And I'll show you what I did here. Open her up, G. It's a 383 stroker, brand new. All redone, flat top pistons, and a 770 carb. It's a vacuum secondary. I should have went mechanical. I got World Product 2 Torker heads on it. I got a Summit distributor coil and ignition and rev limiter. It's pretty much brand new. Put an aluminum radiator in it. We're getting ready to take it to the track, see what we can do. Alright, how you stop this?
Bye.